we already have the reactions coming in even as counting is underway. The Congress, by all exit polls, was not given a very good, showing. It wasn't going to have a very good showing according to all the exit polls, and almost like a preemptive strike, you have Rahul Gandhi now attacking the Election Commission. Rahul Gandhi there saying that
the Election Commission is gaslighting citizens and how trust has collapsed in our democracy. He, in fact, has said vote chori is an anti-national act, something that he keeps claiming, and he has basically lashed out at the Election Commission.
And it's that entire indelible ink,
yes,
that whole controversy
that started
yesterday. Correct. So 2012 is when the use of markers had been brought in this election, and the State Election Commissioner, he clarified yesterday, he was on record to say that we will verify if the quantity of chemicals, especially silver nitrate, which is crucial for the mark lasting 15 days, is as per the norms. People were asking, why is it coming off so easily? So the several people who did a reality check and quoting that. Ali Daruwala, if you want to quickly respond to this. Attack by Rahul Gandhi saying that Election Commission gaslighting citizens is how trust has collapsed in our democracy.
Correct. Rahul Gandhi's statement, vote chori without proof, has gone so viral because we had 45 days of complaint which could be launched in Bihar. At the time of Bihar election, they said vote chori is rampant. So we can over here officially say on your channel that in 45 days we had a landslide victory in Bihar. Not a single complaint of vote chori was registered. So
but talk about yesterday, talk about this indelible ink. Let's forget Bihar now. Bihar, the time for appeals is over, 45 days have gone. Talk about yesterday.
It is the same ink which is used in the pen over here, and it has come in 2011, 2012. 4 instances it has been used where the Congress has won. So you tell me one thing, when we have got good results coming over here, they have been neck to neck with us. You mean to say vote chori hui hai? You mean to say ink is questionable?
नहीं, ये वो बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि Election Commission ने कल बोला है, we don't have ink procurement information at the moment. That's what the Election Commission has said yesterday. And procurement किधर से आया अभी हमें पता नहीं है.
And Mr. Daruwala, Shiv Sena, UBT and Congress may not have gone together for these polls, but when it comes to this accusation, both of them are on the same page.
Correct. What I'm asking over here, if the trends change by 2 o'clock and if they are winning, will they still question this ink? Let us know that now.
Yes, they say we question even when we are losing, even when we are winning.
How they can take a U-turn over here. These people have been lying and they want something to pin their blame on, and that is this time it is the ink. Last time
I don't know if in order to prove the Election Commission right, you are willing to wish victory onto the Congress and the Shiv Sena UBT, because at least one of them will be vindicated.